सुनील गजनानी, डायरेक्टर ऑफ रॉयल एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड। जैसा कि अपने सब जानते हैं, भारत सरकार का वंदे भारत मिशन जो है वो करीब उसका फेज 1 करीब कंप्लीट होने की तैयारी में है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू इंडियन गवर्नमेंट, टू इंडियन एम्बेसी इन यूक्रेन के जिसने ये सारी की सारी फ्लाइट्स बड़े ग्रेसफुल तरीके से और बड़े प्रॉपरली मैनेजेबल तरीके से इन्होंने कंप्लीट की है। हमें कई सारे पेरेंट्स के कॉल्स मैसेजेस आए दैट सर प्लीज़ हमें आप गाइड करें कि गवर्नमेंट बच्चों के साथ क्या प्रोसेस हो रही है, जो क्योंकि मेरे काफ़ी सारे बच्चे जो हैं वो ये फ्लाइट में आए हैं। तो जो बच्चे नहीं आए अभी तक उनके पेरेंट्स काफ़ी वरीड हैं कि उनका क्या प्रोसेस है फ्लाइट में बोर्ड करने से लेकर के, टिकट का पेमेंट करने से लेकर के, इंडिया पहुंचने के बाद उनका क्वारंटाइन का कैसा है, क्या है, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, राइट। तो ये सारे कंफ्यूजन सॉल्व करने के लिए हमने एक हमारी स्टूडेंट है अमीशा गुप्ता, शी इज फ्रॉम भरूच डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन गुजरात। तो वो स्टूडेंट हमारी फ्लाई हुई, राइट। शी केम फ्रॉम कीव टू अहमदाबाद ऑन 29 मई, राइट। सो मैं आपसे ये चीज शेयर कराऊंगा, मैं आपको डायरेक्टली अमीशा के मुंह जुबानी में आपको सुनाऊंगा, मैं आपको बताऊंगा द टोटल प्रोसीजर फ्रॉम योर टिकट बुकिंग टू योर होटल क्वारंटाइन। जस्ट हैव अ लुक।
Hello everyone, I am Amisha Gupta, a first year medical student from Manitsa National Medical University, and I am here to talk about my travel experience as I recently traveled from Ukraine to India, Ahmedabad, and I am getting a lot of DMs from you guys that asking about my travel experience and about the quarantine spots, so I am here just to talk about it. I'll start from the beginning. On 23rd of May, I got a mail from Air India asking for my consent to travel from Ukraine to India, and they had asked me for some of my details. I mailed them my details again, and the next day I received a payment link. I made the payment, and after 2 days I received my air tickets. On 29th of May, I was having a flight from Kyiv to Ahmedabad, and we were instructed to report at the airport at 8:30 in the morning. That is, I'm talking about Kyiv's time, that is Ukraine's time. And when we reached the airport, our temperature was checked, and we waited. After that, we waited for around an hour or so, and then an announcement was made that the passengers traveling from Kyiv to Ahmedabad are requested to come at the counter this, and we have to check in our luggages, and we got our boarding passes, and we got 2 forms as well with it, which were the immigration forms. And after that we collected our food packets, our check-in was done, and the boarding started around 2:30 p.m. Ukraine's time again, and we were on the flight by around 1:15 or 1:30 p.m. and food packets were kept again on our seats, and safety kit was also present, which had a face shield and masks and hand sanitizers. And after that, announcement was made that the passengers are requested to make minimum communication with the cabin crew for the safety measures, and everyone on the flight was like the cabin crew was wearing the PP kit and safety measures were taken, but amongst the passengers it is understandable that social distancing wasn't followed, but that's understandable, I guess. And throughout the flight there wasn't a single thing which caused inconvenience to the passengers, and we landed, we were having a layover in Delhi, and we landed in Delhi at around 11 p.m. according to IST, and after that we were requested to download the Arogya Setu app, and the cabin crew was changed at that time, during that time, and we took off from Delhi at around 11:45 p.m. For Ahmedabad, and we landed in Ahmedabad at around 1 a.m. Again IST, and after that our handbags were sanitized, our temperature screening test was done, and yes, we on the flight we again had got 2 forms to fill up, which were again the immigration forms. Out of one we had to submit at the temperature screening counter at Ahmedabad airport, and the another one at the immigration counter again at the Ahmedabad airport. And then we collected our luggages, and then after that we were given a list of cities in which we wished to be quarantined. There were options for both paid and unpaid. For me, I chose the paid quarantine, and they also said that you cannot get quarantined in your own city. Like for example, in my case, I'm from Bharuch, so even though they had a quarantine spot in Bharuch, but I cannot get quarantined in my own city. So they gave me two options, that is Anand and Vadodara. So I chose Vadodara, and there were buses going to each of these cities, and the passengers who have chosen any of the cities, they can board the buses for the city. And then after that, in the bus we were given a list of hotels in which we wish to be quarantined, and the bus dropped us at the hotel, and the manager was there to pick us up. And after that he showed us the room, and he said that if you wish to change your room you can, and the hotel staff was also really good, and the hotels are really nice. So if I just say in short, there wasn't a single thing throughout my journey from Kiev to Delhi and from Delhi to Ahmedabad that caused inconvenience to me. And the quarantine spots, like the paid ones, I don't know about the unpaid ones, are really nice, and the hotel staff is good. And if you want anything, then you can just call them, and even from outside they'll bring you that thing. And the food is also good. So if I talk about me, there were many misconceptions when I was in Ukraine that whether the quarantine spots are not good, and there's a lot of problem while traveling in the evacuation flights. But throughout my experience, I didn't face any of the bad things. There were like good things, just the good things. So yes, that was all about my journey. And if you have any doubts, you can still ask me, you can DM me. And I hope that the people or the students which wish to travel from their country, from in whichever country they are to India back, they come home soon. Thank you.
जैसे कि आप लोगों ने अमीशा के मुंह जुबानी सुना, अमीशा गुप्ता is a student of Vinnytsia National Medical University. She has completed her first year. मेरे हिसाब से उसने जब अपनी सारी की सारी डिटेल बताई तो आपके सारे के सारे कंफ्यूजन्स सॉल्व हो गए होंगे, आपके सारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो गए होंगे। फिर भी अगर ये सुनने के बाद किसी को कोई भी तरीके का कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप प्लीज मुझे व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट जो भी अपग्रेड्स हैं, जो बच्चे वहां पे यूक्रेन में रह गए हैं, उनकी फ्लाइट्स कब होगी, इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट्स कब शुरू होगी, ये सारी डिटेल जानने के लिए मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, ताकि हम अपने वीडियोस के माध्यम के द्वारा हम आपको सारी की सारी जानकारी दे सकें। नमस्कार।